I'm Dave Robinson, the Recreation and Access Officer for the Loch, Lomond and the Trossachs National Park Authority. We're here in Balmaha at the foot of Conic Hill, and I'm just going to talk a bit about the footpath on Conic Hill. It's obviously part of the West Highland Way. People come over the back of Conic Hill and come down into Balmaha, but it's also an incredibly popular hill walk for day visitors as well. And we kind of estimate at the moment, and it is an estimate, that around 150 to 200,000 people are walking up Conic Hill every year, and that makes it one of the busiest hills in the whole of Scotland. It's a wee hill, it's only just over 350 metres or just over 1,000 feet, but it gives a real kind of mountain experience. It's pretty rugged, it's pretty steep, and you get amazing views from not having to climb too far. So it's an incredibly popular hill, and that can create problems. The path that is on the hill now was repaired in 2013, so only 8 years ago, but in that time the increase in the number of people that are coming to climb up Conic has meant that that path is now basically eroded away, and what was once a 1 metre wide path is now 5 metres and up to 10 metres wide in places, and that is down just to the sheer number of people that are coming to climb up Conic. The vegetation surface has broken away, and people then start to move a bit wider and find other lines. We are left with quite a badly eroded footpath. So we would like to repair that, and we've got a specification, and we're treating Conic as a special case really. We're looking at doing a lot of what's called stone pitching, so creating a stone staircase that goes up the hill on pretty much to the top and the high point of the West Highland Way, and we're going to make it quite a lot wider than we would normally do for upland path work. Work like that doesn't come cheap. We've been given a cost estimate of around £600,000, and that's probably a minimum. It will probably cost more than that. So we're looking at repairing that over potentially a number of years, starting this year. Ourselves, the National Park Authority, has got fairly substantial budgets, but not £600,000 worth. We will also be looking for additional funding from other sources, because if we can find extra money, then we can get the work done quicker than if it was just our own cash. So for people who are either walking the West Highland Way or people who are up here for the day, if you want to contribute or donate to any of this path repair work, you can go to the West Highland Way website, and there is donation pages, and we would like to see people put something back, as well as coming out and just enjoying the day, maybe kind of helping conserve the landscape that you've just enjoyed.